Allah is whispering something to you right now. Not through thunder, not through some dramatic sign you'd never miss, through something quiet enough that you'd only catch it if you actually stopped to listen. This video is that whisper translated into words. You've probably assumed Allah's voice would need to be loud to reach you, overwhelming, unmistakable, but the deepest truths rarely arrive shouting. Allah says in the Quran, "And when my servants ask you concerning me, indeed, I am near." Nearness doesn't need volume. A whisper only works when someone is close enough to hear it. And if this feels like it's reaching you, that's proof of exactly how close He already is. Somewhere along the way, you've probably built a quiet narrative about your own worth, that you're behind, that you've disappointed too many times, that you need to earn your way back into being taken seriously by Allah. This whisper is pushing back against that exact story, not by ignoring your mistakes, but by refusing to let them be the only chapter you keep rereading. The version of you He's whispering to isn't the worst version of your track record. It's the one still here, still listening. It's not just busyness that drowns out a whisper. It's the constant internal noise of comparison, of measuring your progress against everyone else's highlight reel, of assuming their apparent ease means you're doing something wrong. That noise is loud enough to bury a message this quiet. Turning it down, even for a moment, is what makes room to actually hear what's being said to you specifically. Tonight, before you go back to the noise, the comparisons, the self-criticism, the endless scroll, let this whisper actually interrupt it. Say something honest back to Him, even briefly. That's how a whisper stops being background noise and starts being something you actually carry with you. Allah has been whispering to you. This was just the moment you finally heard it. Comment, "I heard it," if this reached you the way it was meant to. And if someone you know needs this same whisper, send it to them. Allah Hafiz.